Hello Showtimers, this is Poppa Wheelie again on Showtime. Today we're going to take out my 54 Ford Skyliner for a little tour around town, and Shelby's going to be doing the filming for us. So here we go. This car is pretty special. Actually, it's a 1 year only because in 1954, the Skyliner was the top of the line Ford in the Crestliner series. So in 1955, they still made a glass top, but it was in the Fairlane series. So 55 and 56 Skyliners are Fairlanes. This one is a Crestliner. So 1 year only, and then after 56, because they only sold 600 of those, Ford decided they carried on with the Skyliner name, but they made a retractable two-door hardtop that the roof folded down into the trunk with the help of, I think, 18 pumps and solenoids and various mechanisms, folded up in 3 pieces and went into the trunk, and then the trunk lid shut over top of it. So the Skyliner name was still in Ford's lineup for 57, 58, and 59. And then it was dropped in 1960 when Ford completely changed the body style, and after that the top of the line Ford became a Galaxy, two-door hardtop or a convertible. No more glass top cars for Ford. So this one I bought at a farm auction. It was just an empty shell. There was no glass, there was no chrome, there was no running gear. It had some of the bodywork done in the Barris style from the 50s. So it's got the 56 Packard quarter panel extensions and 56 Packard taillights. The side chrome is all shaved off. The hood is nosed. All of the original emblems are gone. The headlights are Frenched. Pretty much everything you could do to a custom, short of chopping the top. They didn't do that, thank God. At least I was able to find glass for it, although it was very expensive. And this one in the top here, just shining straight up, you can see the sky through that window. That window cost me $1,000 by itself. But without a window in the roof, you don't have a Skyliner, and I didn't want to fill in the panel. So this one, I used all the running gear out of a 2009 wrecked Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. So it's got the 320 horsepower engine. It's got the 4RW or 70W 4-speed overdrive automatic transmission. I put a Mustang disc brake rear end under the back. I used the Interceptor front suspension, steering, brakes, all of it. It's got 14-inch rotors on the front, so I had to go to 18-inch rims. Everybody told me there was no way to put that front end under this car, and I did it. You just have to get the right set of wheels and you can do it. The track width is okay if you got an 18 by 8 with 6 inches of back spacing. The colors on this car are standard Ford colors. The red is called Bronze Fire. It came on 2016 F-150s. And the roof color is called Smokestone. It's a copy of the color of my 09 Lincoln. So the combination together, I think we're made for each other. This is a really good running car. It gets 30 miles to the gallon because it's just cruises so good. 1700 RPM is 70 miles an hour. This car, like my DeSoto, are definitely keepers. I'll never sell it. It's been appraised and insured for $75,000. I have full intentions of keeping this car till I die as well. I also have a 1953 Volvo PV 444. The 444 stands for 4 cylinders and 44 horsepower. And it is all original except for radial tires that I put on, and I lowered the front springs 2 inches. Other than that, that car is bone original. I did all the body work on it, repainted it myself, and I had our local upholstery shop redo the interior. He's the same guy that did the interior on here. So he does nice work, and it doesn't break the bank to get him to do work on your car. There you can see the Volvo right there. It's the last year the split back window Volvo. After that they went to a one-piece window. These look very similar to the old vintage Fords of the 40s, but quite a bit smaller. So now I'm going to put this back in Poppa Wheelie's garage, and I'm going to take a little break, and we will talk to you again soon. We're hoping that these videos help show with his Showtime site on YouTube, because if he can get 1,000 subscribers, his dad Will says they will make a trip to Canada to see Grandpa and Grandma and Shelby and my other 2 sons who live in Alberta, and that's what we're looking forward to. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll do another one soon. Thank you, and bye for now.